Among DJI's lineup, the Avata stands out as an FPV drone designed to deliver an immersive flying experience, especially in tight spaces and challenging environments. However, the Avata 2, while versatile, still has room for improvement. In this discussion, we'll explore the potential upgrades DJI could introduce in the Avata 3 to make it the ultimate synhoop drone, along with our expectations and its anticipated release date. One of the main criticisms of the Avata has been its occasional instability during flight. For the Avata 3, DJI could focus on refining its aerodynamics to ensure smoother and more reliable performance. A redesigned frame might not only enhance stability, but also reduce noise, making it more appealing to both hobbyists and professional FPV pilots. The Avata 2 comes equipped with a 1/1.7-inch CMOS sensor, capable of recording 4K video at 60 FPS. For the next generation, we anticipate a significant upgrade in imaging capabilities, possibly with the inclusion of a larger 1-inch sensor. A bigger sensor would improve dynamic range, allowing the Avata 3 to capture more detail in both bright and dark areas. While some may question the need for a larger sensor in such a compact drone, it's essential for DJI to stay competitive in the FPV market. For instance, the Osmo Pocket 3, which also features a 1-inch sensor, has shown remarkable improvements in low-light conditions. A similar upgrade in the Avata 3 could revolutionize its appeal to cinematographers. FPV drones are typically flown by experienced pilots who can navigate tight spaces with precision. The Avata 2 currently offers only upward and downward obstacle sensing, which works well for its intended use. However, to make the drone more accessible to beginners, DJI could introduce more advanced obstacle avoidance sensors. This would allow users to switch between different modes and fly with greater confidence, reducing the likelihood of crashes. Another potential improvement for the Avata 3 could be an enhanced transmission system, offering better range and control. Rumors suggest that the Avata 3 might feature the O3 Plus Sync 4 Plus, enabling live video transmission up to 20 kilometers away. While flying an FPV drone at such distances is unlikely, the extended range would ensure a stable connection, even in more demanding environments. The compact size of the Avata is one of its key strengths, allowing it to maneuver through tight spaces effortlessly. However, this also limits the battery capacity DJI can incorporate without increasing the drone's size. The Avata 2 offers a flight time of up to 23 minutes, and for the Avata 3, we expect a modest increase, potentially up to 28 minutes. While this isn't a huge leap, the extra flight time could be crucial when capturing important footage. So, when can we expect the Avata 3 to hit the market? If you're an FPV enthusiast, the wait shouldn't be too long. Based on DJI's previous release patterns, the Avata 3 is likely to launch in April this year. Although an exact date hasn't been confirmed, it's expected to be unveiled in the second week of the month. What improvements would you like to see in the Avata 3? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more drone news and reviews. Until next time, happy flying! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.